struggled online for nearly 2 years trying to sell or recruit, and all I wanted to do was be a stay-at-home mom. I finally found something that's actually working and it isn't consuming my life. I can just trade whenever I want to, and I've quadrupled my money.
That was my biggest fear when I first got started, that I would be stuck to my computer trying to learn how to trade. But I remember my first night of actually trying to go through the training. I took about 2-3 hours. I set it aside. I went through the training modules on trading, and I'm not the smartest guy, so I really appreciated it that they broke it down into a simple language for me. And that night, after watching the 2-3 hours of training, I set my first trade, and the next morning I woke up to my first profitable trade, and I couldn't have been more excited. And since then, it's just been a growing ball of momentum for me.
I had never traded my whole life. I had never done any type of financial work. I'm always been in an IT background, and it was straightforward and simple for me. No need to draw up all these charts and stuff, and makes it very simple. So highly encourage you to try it out. A great system, great support, and a great community. Always somebody around to help you.
I went through the training, the micro profit system trading. I use the tools they have called Trade Finder, and my last 4 trades have yielded a 7% profit, a 4% profit, a 6% profit, and another 7% profit.
What's going on? I was able to quit my full-time job in less than 6 months just because of this system alone, and now I'm a full-time crypto trader.
Now I'm making 1%, 2%, even 4% trades on a daily basis.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Justin Temple here with a quick video on iCoinPro review. We're having fun at the lake on jet skis. Hey, Dad, you want to say hi? That's Dad right there. So in this video, I'm just going to talk about iCoinPro real quick and why I like this system. So really quick, if you're in network marketing or MLM, the best thing about iCoinPro is that you're going to be able to use the product to be able to make money. It's not going to be something that fills your garage and make your wife upset. So the iCoinPro product is actually an asset, not a liability, and you can legitimately wake up, use it for 10 to 30 minutes a day and make money from home. So that's the first thing about iCoinPro that's really cool. And if you want to learn how to day trade, I do a live trade room. I'm going to be starting up my trade room again after vacation. We're on Lake Logan Martin and just enjoying jet skis, having fun. There's the house right there, or that one, I believe. Hard to see. But anyways, this is the last day. We're going to go home today, and I'm so grateful for my network marketing business that's allowed me to have time freedom with my family. And also, last night I made another $300 sale. So it's really easy to be able to build an online business and to enjoy your life. So another thing about iCoinPro that's really awesome is that the owners are very open and transparent. You can contact them, get a hold of them, and they're very active in the building of their business and the trading of their members. You can ask what kind of trades, or I'm sorry, you can basically, show your trades and ask what's going wrong, what went right, and actually be able to use the system to get real help and support. So that's something that's really awesome about iCoinPro, and there's nothing out there in the industry like iCoinPro right now. And I know a lot of people say that, but with over 10 years, a decade of experience in network marketing, this is actually a true statement. So again, you can use the product to actually make money. It's not a liability. It's not going to fill your garage, and you can use it to make money. So with that being said, there's a lot more great things about iCoinPro, and if you want to actually ask me about anything, you can ask me down in the comments. But basically, the compensation plan in iCoinPro is a 2x15 matrix. And why is that cool? Well, it's cool because if you get started with a leader like me, I'm a top 8 recruiter in iCoinPro, and I'm going to be top 7 just in 2 more sales. But anyways, the reason you want to get started with me in iCoinPro is, 1, I'm living the life, so you can actually go ahead and work with me and actually achieve results. And then 2, let me try to get this right here. Hey! There, I get my little phone bag that fell in the water. And now I gotta dry it off. But anyways, the reason you want to work with me is because I build your funnel. I have the best funnel in iCoinPro. No one can compare to me. I get way more pre-enrollees and signups for the amount of traffic that I get. So I make it very sustainable for the average person. I do everything for you. I set up your email marketing, set up your funnel, I coach you on how to do your bridge video. I tell you exactly what to say. I spend 2 to 3 days setting it all up for you, so that way you can actually get great results with iCoinPro. So no one else will do that for you. Everyone else in MLM is a lazy, they're a lazy sponsor. They ain't gonna do shit for you. They just say, oh, hype, but they don't do nothing for you. I'm the only one. Oh, there's Uncle Joe. There's Uncle Joe and Dawson. Right there. Woo! So, they're just gonna go ahead and drive around. I'm gonna go ahead and drive with them. And there they go. So anyways, no one is ever going to do anything for you in iCoinPro other than me. One, I am the head of the trade room, so I actually trade with my team and use the product with my team. And then on the network marketing side, I literally build your funnel, and you can just buy solo ads and get people to get into iCoinPro. So really, you want to build a matrix with a leader. And I will help you get way more results and way better results than anyone else. So that's why the compensation plan is really cool, because you want to join a leader in iCoinPro with the comp plan and build with a leader like me. Okay, I'm gonna be the #1 recruiter in iCoinPro. I'm not too far from there, and I actually have my team duplicating. Brian, shout out to Brian Hobbs. He was actually able to get another paid member in iCoinPro, so he's filling up the matrix with me. And there's more people like Pandora. Shout out to Pandora, working really hard on her YouTube channel, making videos, sponsoring people. So we have some really powerful people on our team. Shout out to Matt. Good job, brother. Really proud of you. And there's a lot more people on my team that can't think of right now, but thank you so much, guys. This has been a little Morgan Lake, I think it's Morgan Lake iCoinPro review, and I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell notifications for future videos, and I'm gonna go ride that way. Thank you so much. Click the link down below. Get started in iCoinPro right now. Thank you.